Hello friends, welcome back to RB English Academy. In this video, we are about to see a topic, sentence completion. Let's get into the session. Before getting into the topic, what are the areas we are going to focus to learn sentence completion? We are going to focus on if clauses, tenses, parts of speech, and vocabulary skills. First, let we see parts of speech. We all know there are totally 8 parts of speech. And the next area we are going to focus is tenses. We all know there are totally 3 types of tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. And here I have given you the forms of each tenses. Just go through it. And the next area we are about to focus is if clauses. There are totally 4 type of clauses: zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. So now let me come to sentence completion. Sentence completion is nothing but it is like a fill in the blanks with single or double blanks. You might have to fill it with a word or a phrase or a sentence. Sentence completion will be like a fill in the blanks with single or double blanks, and we have to fill it with a word or phrase or a sentence. And here I have given you a single blank example. As a commerce graduate, Vivekananda had a healthy apprehension of anything remotely technical. He let his wife handle all the dash. So here they have speak about Vivekananda. He is a commerce graduate and he is afraid of using remotely technical like electronic items. So he let his wife to handle all the things. So we can easily eliminate the option A, ideas, because it is not an electronic gadget, and TV antennas and cellular phones we can easily handle. So he is afraid of electronic things, that is gadgets and gizmos. And here I have given you an example for double blank. Our job as teachers is to dash the thirst for knowledge and dash the spark of enthusiasm. So for the double blank, first we have to find any one of the answer and we can easily find the correct answer. In the second blank, they have given the clue word the spark. So usually we used to tell ignite the spark. So the option A is the correct one. Our job as teachers is to quench the thirst for knowledge and ignite the spark of enthusiasm. And here I have given you 5-step plan for sentence completion. The first one is read sentence thorough to get general sense of its meaning. What does the sentence mean? What words will be suitable? What part of speech is necessary to complete the sentence? While reading the sentence, we should get the general sense of the given sentence and we have to raise these kind of questions to us. What is the meaning of the sentence and what word will be suitable for the given blank and which part of speech will be suitable for the question. And here I have given you an example. Sports for the visually challenged, dash their confidence and help them to mingle with the dash of society. So here they are speaking about sports people, especially visually challenged. So we have to motivate them in a positive way, then only they can easily mingle with the society. We have to enrich their confidence and help them to mingle with the stalwarts of society. And the second plan is anticipate the answer. Should words support or contrast or cause an effect? So we have to guess what will be the answer. The given sentence will be in the supporting sentences or contrasting sentences or supporting ideas or contrasting ideas, sometimes cause and effect. So what words signal support? Here I have given you few words. So for, because, therefore, as a result, these are all signal supports. And what words signal contrast? Although, not, but, however, these are all contrasting ideas. And what words signal cause and effect? Accordingly, so that, thus, when, then, and etc. So these are all some cause and effect signals. So we can easily guess with these kind of words whether it is a supporting sentence or contrasting sentence or cause and effect sentences. And the step 3 is read all 4 or 5 choices, must try all for best choice. So if you couldn't find the correct answer, you can try all the 4 or 5 choices to get the correct choice. And the step 4 is, if you have to guess, first eliminate the answers which don't make sense. So as we discussed in the cloze test, we can also apply the concept of elimination trick. So if you couldn't find any sense with some of options, you can easily eliminate the options. Check answer by reading entire sentence with words you have selected. And finally, read the entire sentences with the word which you have selected. And here I have given you few strategies for sentence completion. The first one is know your vocabulary. Look for important words in sentences. Before that, we have to build our vocabulary skills by reading newspapers, books, or listening to channels, BBC News, and etc. We have to build our vocabulary skills. And the second one is always understand the sentence before trying choices out. Otherwise, most words might seem to fit. So the second one is try to understand the complete sentence. Try to understand the theme of the sentence. Third one is watch out for little words which have big effect on meaning of sentences, like not, but, and. The small words will have powerful meaning in the sentences. So we should not skip these kind of small words. And the fourth one is check part of speech and verb tense. So we should be aware of parts of speech and verbs, that is tenses. We should strong in our grammar part. And finally, 2 blank question. Test the first word in each pair, saves time. So you have to find any one of the answer. It will be easy to find out the answer. It will help us to save time. And here I have given you an example. If I were a millionaire, I dash very happy. If I were a millionaire, I would be very happy. It is also a imaginary situation. And here I have given you another example. People who are dash find it difficult to accept the belief that all men are equal regardless of their caste, race, or religion. So we can easily eliminate liberal and emotional and also fanatic. So the people who are intolerant find it difficult to accept the belief that all men are equal. I hope you may get some ideas about sentence completion. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.